at 26 miles southwest of Unionville and moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Port Jervis by 9:40 p.m., Otisville by 9:55 p.m., Unionville by 10 p.m., Middletown by 10:15 p.m. These are dangerous storms. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following county: Orange, New York,